May you in Jesus' name every day of the year. A happy birthday to you. Good morning, y'all. Happy Saturday. I am upstate for the weekend. I literally got straight off the bus, put my lip liner and gloss on, changed my shoes, and went straight to my mom's office holiday party. We had such a good time, like so much fun. And after we came back to the house, I wished my sister a happy birthday. We all did, as it was after midnight. And I went to bed because I have like some post-nasal drip, a little cold starting up going on, but some sleep did me good. I'm feeling better this morning. I slept a little later than planned, but I'm about to get up and get the day started because we have some surprises planned for my sister today. So my sister finally left. It was such an ordeal to get her out the house. She would not get dressed, keep asking where she was going. Her husband planned to take her to get a massage for her birthday, a Swedish massage with hot stones. It's a surprise she doesn't know. And I planned a surprise fish fries, shrimp and grits and mimosas birthday brunch here at her house with the family. So I needed her out the house so I can start cooking and getting stuff done. Everybody's doing their part. Gonna pick up the cake, get the champagne, and I'm about to start cooking, y'all. So I am so excited to surprise her with this brunch. So I got the first batch of shrimp defrosted for the fried shrimp, and I'm going to season it up with some Old Bay. Oh, that Old Bay not even open yet. Let me open that real quick. So I'm going to season the shrimp up with some Old Bay and some garlic powder and get that coated with some cornmeal. And I'm going to add a little bit of this Red Lobster seafood seasoning to the fried shrimp too. I have some red snapper fillets and some porgies over here defrosting so I can season those up and fry them too. So the red snapper and the porgies are defrosted and ready to fry up. I'm not going to season it as I'm going to be using this seasoned fish fry mix. So I'm about to start frying up the fish and shrimp so we can get this brunch rolling. So I got the snapper in the pan frying up nicely. And I have another batch of shrimp defrosted for some shrimp scampi, and I'm going to season that up with the Red Lobster seafood seasoning. I'm going to get these grits going. I'm putting the water on, and I'm going to add some salt to the water. And I'm going to get this cheese cut up. I got some Vermont extra sharp cheddar cheese and some extra sharp yellow. And I put the rest of the red snapper in the pan and got the porgy started. Y'all, everything smells and looks so good. And I got the other fish in the oven, keeping warm while I finish frying up everything. So I'm going to do a quick shrimp scampi, and I'm going to add a half a stick of butter and some olive oil to the pan. And I'm going to let that butter melt before I add the shrimp to the pan. And now I'm going to add the shrimp to the pan. And it's seasoned up with that Red Lobster seafood seasoning. And I'm moving so fast because I'm running out of time. I forgot to add the garlic to the pan, y'all. I usually use freshly crushed garlic, but my sister has the minced garlic in a jar. So I'm going to go ahead and add the garlic to the pan now. And it won't make a difference in the taste. It'll still taste good. I just usually add the garlic after I add the butter and the olive oil to just let the garlic cook a little bit. But since it's minced garlic that's already kind of soft, it doesn't really matter. I'll just saute it a little longer. And I usually use a combination of cooking wine with fresh lemon juice, neither of which they have in the house. So I'm just going to add some of this lemon juice and call it a day. That'll work to give it the flavor it needs. And I'm just using one of those little lemons you get at the store. Now the grits are cooking up nice and creamy. I'm going to add a half a stick of butter while I finish cutting up the cheese. And the shrimp scampi is cooking up nice. I had to turn the heat up a little bit because this pan is a bit small. So I just turned it up a little bit while I turn the shrimp and rotate them so that they all could cook. Now I'm about to turn it back down because they're just about done. I'm going to finish them off with some parsley, dried parsley. So that shrimp scampi is done, y'all. And I added some more salt to the grits. And I'm going to add some coarse ground black pepper, because that's how my sister likes her grits, with a lot of coarse ground black pepper. And I'm going to add the cheese to the pot. And them grits are going to be nice and extra cheesy, just how my sister likes it. That might be a little bit too much cheese, but rather too much than not enough. We do not like cheese grits or grits and cheese without enough cheese in it. That is the worst. You might as well just leave the cheese out. I'm about to fry up the shrimp, and I added the seasoned shrimp to a Ziploc with some cornmeal, but I'm also about to add some panko to the mix just to make it a little bit more crispy and interesting. I'm going to shake that up so I can get the shrimp in the grease. And I got the first batch of shrimp frying up. I'm probably going to have to do 4 or 5 batches because I did season up a lot of shrimp. I'm hoping no more than 4. And I'm happy to have the shrimp going because it's the last thing I have to cook. And then I'm going to hurry up and go pull myself together. My brother-in-law has my sister out and he's stalling before he brings her back. But no one else didn't get here yet. Everyone always running behind. But it's whatever. She's going to enjoy her fish fry, shrimp and grits and mimosas brunch, y'all. And the first batch of shrimp is done. I drained it and put it in an aluminum pan so I could put it in the oven to keep warm with the fish. So I'm finished cooking, y'all. Everything is done. That's the fried red snapper fillets and the fried porgies. That is the fried shrimp. That's a whole lot of fried shrimp. We got the shrimp scampi up here, and we have the cheese grits here. I'm about to go take a shower and get dressed because my brother-in-law is still stalling, but yeah, my sister about to eat good. So I managed to pull myself together in less than 30 minutes. I'm still waiting for my sister to get here. My brother-in-law is still stalling because my mom, my other sister, no one else is here yet. So I'm about to go get my sister's gifts together, fill out her car, and go start setting up, well, at least setting up the food so that I'm ready when she gets here. I found this card for my sister, and I thought it was so beautiful. And of course, I had to write her a personal message in there. That's her card. And I got her a few things, starting with a lipstick from MAC. She absolutely loves Heroin. It's her favorite lipstick, but she never buys it. I always get it for her or give it to her, and when she runs out, I get her another. I think she did buy one, but she never bought it again, but I made sure to get her her favorite lipstick. And I got her this Mixed Bar perfume from Target. The Mixed Bar collection, the scents are supposed to be very good. I haven't tried it yet, but I had got her the vanilla one, I think last year for Christmas, and she loved it. So I got her the sparkling hibiscus one to try. I'm hoping she likes that. Other than that, I got her a couple of pairs of lashes because she absolutely loves lashes, big gaudy lashes, and some glue because I don't like her using that weave glue. My baby sister swear by weave glue. I don't like it. It smells like fish and behind, but I got her some lashes and glue, and that's it. I think that's it. So I'm about to go start setting up like I said because I'm pretty sure she'll be here soon. Look, hey, your Christmas tree? Yeah, that's your Christmas tree, baby. Yeah? Oh, how did it get up there? How did Elf get up there? He teleported. Huh? He teleported. Oh, he teleported? Yes. Oh, okay. She about to come inside, y'all. She coming. Surprise! Diva! So, you're having a fish fry, shrimp grits, and mimosas brunch that's turned into a dinner. And come see your spread. Your sis been in the kitchen. Ooh. We got some shrimp scampi. We got some fried shrimp. We got some fried snapper and porgies. And we got some cheese grits and some mimosas. Yes. Yes. My sister's cake from her husband. Thank you. Aww. Aww. Hubby got the champagne for the mimosas. Yes, bro.
these are the winners. She got me what I asked for.
Oh, that's the holiday collection.
That's pretty.
I told her I needed a candle. Thank you.
Give me one of those. Go, Juice. Go, Juice.
What, the sample?
Go, Juice.
Look, oh,
the color.
Yep. I got some in my bag right now.
I some one yesterday.
Oh, is this the one you got me before?
It's a new one.
Oh my God.
It's a new one for you to try.
Oh, this smells good too. Hibiscus.
Strawberry.
No, it's sparkling.
Oh, I wanted to need that.
I used the last one in like a week.
She just got 2 new perfumes after buying one. Y'all saw her get the Versace one of the vlogs. She probably finished that one.
No, I'm not finished that one. Don't be telling them that.
Yeah, I think she be drinking the perfume, y'all.
To my beautiful ebony princess, I love you to the moon and back. May God bless you abundantly.
Happy birthday, girl. One time for the birthday girl. One time for the birthday girl. What she be drinking?
Casamigo.
0, double 0.
No drink, and she got 0.
Oh, she ain't barely do nothing. She got, what number she got? 7? She's on 7, guys. So we look for 7. What number is it?
Oh, she got
7 and 9. Here, Sade, let's go. 12.
What you got? What's 12?
Right here. 10 to 12. Wow.
She got sangria too.
Wow.
Don't you be drinking all that stuff.
Mom, really?
Mom, she just
Drinking sangria.
Go ahead, John. Erica, you go. Baby. 35.
I got 35.
She got.
I'm the one that got the Casamigo.
What you think you go?
Fendi girl.
You Casamigo? Get some water in it.
Ain't putting no waters.
So I'm happy to report that my sister really enjoyed the birthday festivities that I planned for her. She went to sleep talking about it at 4 o'clock this morning and woke up still talking about it. So I'm extremely happy that all went well and she had fun. I'm actually about to head home. I'm kind of sad because I have to go home earlier than planned as a snowstorm rolled through this morning. So I have to get on the road, but I can still get on the road. But thank you so much for joining me and my family again this weekend, and I'll see y'all soon.